So we are going to need a yarn. So I am concretely using for this one cotton friend 8/8 and 4mm hook. So we are going to firstly make a magic ring. So grabbing my yarn around my fingers like this, turning it, grabbing the yarn with my pinky. Now going with the hook under the first yarn and grabbing the second yarn like this, and the yarn that I am holding with my pinky, pulling through that loop. Come on, perfect. Now we can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to place 5 double crochet into the magic ring. So pulling through first 2 loops, pulling through first 2 loops. So yarn over, going into the circle. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, pulling through first 2 loops, pulling through first 2 loops. So this was my second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now I am going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to place a slip stitch into the magic ring, so pulling the yarn like this and through our loop that I have on my hook. Perfect. We can make it a little bit tighter. And now we are going to repeat the same step. So again, chaining 3, 1, 2, and 3, and making 5 double crochet into the magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now chaining 3, 1, 2, and 3, and making a slip stitch. And now tightening up our magic ring. Okay, if you want to keep the hole here, you can keep it. If you don't, you can tighten it completely. So this is really up to you. And your bow is done. We are just going to simply fasten off, leaving longer tail for sewing in if you need. Okay, fastening off. Now, for example, if you want to have your bow to make it a little bit bigger, for example, then you can just make a treble, okay, not double crochet. So then you would be chaining 5, making 5 treble, chaining 5. So you will just switch from double crochet to treble and the bow will be a little bit bigger.